Hello guys, my name is Costant. Welcome back to another revision quiz, database, SQL, Python video series. In this video we're going to be looking at actually creating a lovely main menu. And I should begin to probably delve into actually doing some question editing potentially. So let's begin by actually removing some of this crappy comments out. We don't need this anymore. Get rid of that. And also, we might want to just close that for now. For now, we'll just leave it like that. So, currently we've got over here username, we've got over here is an authentication of that login. But let's actually come over here and start creating a lovely main menu. So I'm going to begin by saying over here, welcome to revision quiz 2000. It's absolutely a great name, isn't it? Let's then do another print. So leave here blank space, and we're going to say here main menu. And over here we're just going to put print out over here. One will be to actually no, we'll put on actually no, let's log in first. Yeah, we'll have to log in. Log in, and we'll just put it here. And then we'll ask for login details. Let's see how that looks. Don't know, maybe there should be a space. I don't know. We'll leave it for now. That looks fine. It's good enough. You're in. Good. But we probably want to get rid of that. We probably don't want to say you're in. We probably want to say over here display menu. We'll create a new function called display menu. And that means we have to actually create the function now. So we're just going to put over here at the top of these. And cool thing with Visual Studio, you can actually collapse these functions. So there's less room being wasted. Got more real estate over here. More space available. We can also close off this toolbox because we won't need that. Or the Server Explorer. So just have more space over here. More room here. Probably zoom this in also a bit more so you can see better. Def, let's say the display menu. In the display menu, what I'm going to introduce is a new module, OS. It's going to be comma OS. It's going to be a new module. I'm going to say the os.system. Now this will only work in Windows, unfortunately, and it's CLS. That's the command for clearing the screen. So if you go on the command prompt and you type in CLS, that clears your screen. And I'll do the same thing with Python, since Python is operating under command line as well. As you can see, it's under CMD that's running. And if I just type over here my name and my password, it will clear the screen. So we clear the screen, and then we want to say over here is print over here main menu. What I want to do over here is I'm going to say print. I'm going to say print again. It's over here. Oh, this is where we might actually want to add something else also for the staff member. We'll do that. We'll do that in a minute. 1 equals play quiz. 2 equals view leaderboard. We potentially might create a leaderboard. And we'll just put here print 9. I guess quit. And over here is where we're going to potentially want to say lovely if statement, and say over here if you're the teacher, do this. Probably want that. So the way how we're going to do this, let's say over here, for now, what I'm thinking for now is saying there, if length equals 0, return true. Yeah, for now I think I might leave it for now actually. I'm trying to think how to do this. No, for now we'll just leave it. For now we'll create, we'll put over the question editor. For now we'll just put the question editor, then we'll come back to that and see how we wish to proceed with that. Yeah, and we're going to just question editor. So number 3 get over here is the question editor. So that's just display the menu, just displays a simple menu. We probably want to then is also create a new function which actually gets the get menu choice. This one should probably go here. Menu choice, of course. Should probably return something. So we come here. Yeah, we'll do a bottom over here. Bottom of this function. Def get menu choice. So we've got over here. Okay. Here we might want to do some validation as well. So over here we'll just say over here. Actually, let's also get over here and probably clean line over here. We'll just say over here option. If, oh yeah, this should be an input. Menu option equals input option. Then we say over here equals int. No, we'll leave it. We could make an int, but in case maybe the user doesn't put an int, so there we have to do some exception handling for that. So we don't need to do that. We can just say if. We can just say, instead of saying or if menu option equals 1, we could just say equals 1 in speech marks. Doesn't matter. Or menu option equals 2. Actually, what we could just say over here equals 1, do something, then else. Yeah, we'll do it like this. Then else if, say menu option equals 2, then do something. Else if menu option equals 3, then do something. We'll just put pass for now, and else we just actually just quit. Just quit. Okay. So I've got that working. So now what we need to do is we actually need to get over here menu option. So we'll just do a lovely OS system. Actually no, we won't do it over here. Let's call over here as a new function instead. We could, oh, I did ask to return it, that's true. That is true, I did return it. Oh, what we can just do over here is we can just return 3. Return 2. We do it like that. Because I wanna keep all the calling of the functions inside this loop. It's better practice instead of just calling functions in between these functions itself, because that can cause some confusion when it comes to debugging and stuff. If you have all your functions nicely displayed over here, it's much easier. So say over here, if menu choice is equal to 3, then we're going to do this. But for now, let's just arrange this all. Just structure this all for now. We just say pass. We'll structure all this for now. Equals 2 pass. Then else if menu choice equals 3. And over here we're going to say over here, or display the question manager. Here we might then over here have def display question manager. Now just pass. Here we're gonna, let's actually begin os.system CLS, let's clear that, clear everything that we've ran. We're just gonna say here print question manager, print nothing, print 1, add. No, we actually need to go for the subjects, don't we, first. Actually, for now, let's just make this computer science. I guess for now, we'll just make it computer science, but in another video, we might actually expand this and have different subjects. For now, let's keep it simple. 1, add question. 2, we're going to also edit question. And 3, we're actually going to have remove question. And 4, let's just make that as a return. Return to main menu. Return to main menu. So then you might want to do here if there's one. Then we go here is get question manager menu choice. Now, you may wish to utilize this function for all of these. Now, that requires some changes instead of us just creating the functions for each different menu. That is true. So, actually, what I'm going to do then... Okay, I know what I'm going to do. Sorry if I keep on changing, if you're trying to call this code and I keep on changing it. But this is for the best, so we don't have redundant data, redundant code. You know, instead of me having to copy and paste this menu choice for each different menus we have, I think it's just best to just always reuse the same one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass in over here. Each of these I'm going to pass in over here is some actual menus. So we're going to go with add question, edit question, and go with delete question, or was it remove question? Remove question over here, and return to main menu. So we just put over here a list, we just pass in a list, and we just call this over here the menu options. We just call this menu options. So let me just comment out all this code over here, since we won't be using this code for now. Just comment that out. And in the menu options, we just go over here for option in menu options. We can just over here print out me the option, of course. That just prints out the option, but we might want also this number over here as well. So what we might want to do is we can either create a count, or maybe we should just create a count. Let's just do a count. That'll be much quicker. That'll be much easier. So do a count equals. We can start from 0 or start from 1. Depends on if we put the count over here. Count plus plus. We can just say the count plus the count plus plus. That just adds. That should, unless I'm thinking of C#. Hold on, I might be thinking of C# and this. I bet you I am. I must be thinking of C#. I think I'm thinking of C#. Launch. Yeah. In C# you can do C++, count plus plus, but no. I'm thinking of a different language. Do apologize. You have to do plus equals 1. That just says, so instead of me writing over here count is equal to count plus 1. The plus 1 just just says, okay, make the count, add that 1, and assign that to count. It's a short way of just typing in this, which is a longer way. Oh, assign count to be the count plus 1. Just a short way. So if we now run this, I'm going to do Costa, and then 3. We get an error. What's the error? String. We need to convert this to a string because you can't have integers and strings together. Oh no, that's the end of the world. Free. Yeah, whatever. Something's not defined, but we'll deal with that later. Yes, this function which is not defined. But as you can see, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 working nicely. So we can now get rid of that, and we have also reduced, as you can see, the size of this as well. So let's do something like we've actually reduced the size of that code by doing it that way. So now we just need to also let's create a menu for this one over here, display menu. And create what were the options. If I just gonna zoom out a bit over here so I can actually see if that works. Can I? Oh no, it's still not helping. I go over here, play quiz. It's very zoomed out, but this is very useful. So that I have to always be coming back and forth. Leaderboard, question editor, and quit. There we go. Now I can zoom back in. Right, so there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, The only thing it's going to treat for as a not... unless we put a special case. We can actually just put a special case in for that. So it's going to be a bit longer than this one. Maybe put a special case for that. Yeah. But yeah, so we just do the same thing. We just pass here menu options. Just pass in the same thing. And then what we can just do over here is if we go over here the menu choice, we can just copy and paste this as our menu as well. Or you might want to do a different way. We could just copy and paste that again. Yeah, we could just do that. We can just do that for now. I know that's a bit redundant because what we could actually do is actually just create over here a variable and then just use that, but for now that'll be fine. Although we could just do that very quickly actually. There are different ways to do things, Anyway, so if you just go here, menu options again, menu options. Then now this is going to have to work a bit differently now. If menu option is less than the length of menu options, then go for all these, else, you just got to put over here an error, else, print option doesn't exist. So just run that quickly, save it, okay, Diego Costa, admin, I'm like 6. Oh, hold on. For this, we will need to convert it. I don't know if I could get away with that. Okay, no, we're gonna have to convert that. For now, we'll just keep this as an int. We'll just do it like this for now. We'll just convert it, but we might have to put some exception handling because if you put a string, there's gonna be an issue. I'll show you that after I just do this quickly. But what's the issue now? I have to put the int over here. Is it these if statements? Maybe it's the if statements. No, I was complaining about. Maybe I read that error wrong. Okay, no, it's fine. Oh yeah, and there should also be as a. Oh yeah, I need to put. Don't forget this. Don't forget this little new line as well. There we go. That'll be much better. Diego Costa, admin. There we go. And if I just put 8, option doesn't exist. Good. The option does not exist. So over here we actually need to go through and change this up a bit. What we just need to say is, if it's less than, just return the number you've inputted then. So, yeah, just return whatever number you've inputted. Menu option. Yeah, menu option. Just return it. And then over here we'll deal with, if it's this, do this then. Yeah. So for now, do Diego Costa, admin. There we go. Excellent. Okay. So let's see. So we've done all that. Now we might actually want to begin adding some questions, or begin actually creating the actual function to actually do so. Have some space. I like to have some space between my functions to make it nice and clear. You can also, as you can see, collapse for loops. For loops can get quite big, so I guess you can collapse that as well if you wish. So that all seems to work, although we may wish to actually turn these into variables. We may wish to do that instead. I think we should just do it, right? We should just do it. Just create these constants over here, yeah. I'm going to do that. Main menu options. They're just constants, that's why we capitalize them. Whenever constants are just variables which do not change while executed. So these variables will never change while executed. They can be edited, so if we wish to add another option, but while they're being executed, they will not change. So we capitalize them. That is the convention we use. Question manager options. I don't like redundant code just code which we're copying and pasting. I don't like doing that, and it's not good practice to actually do that. Keep it nice and simple. That way we don't have to actually change it in 2 places as well. So before, if we want to add an option, we have to change it in these 2 places. Over here, we just change it once, and that's it. Oh yeah, it's question manager, not main menu. But if I do notice that, I'll just I'll just get for hours trying to figure out why it's not working. It's usually what happens. Programmers. Play quiz. Yep, that doesn't work, of course. And if we try the question editor, boom, it works. 1 does nothing. So that'll be it for this video, because this video's gone on for a while. In the next video, we're actually going to begin creating our other question manager. So I promise in the next video, we'll actually begin implementing the add question, edit question, remove question. We'll be implementing that. So subscribe to get a notification when I next upload that video. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have, put a like and comment down below. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys very soon. Goodbye.